Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on What's Cooking today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for those of you guys who are new to cooking. Today we're gonna make a very quick and easy hot and sour soup. Let's prepare the ingredients. Now you're gonna need a couple of sauces, some chicken broth, white pepper, some mushrooms, corn flour and 2 eggs. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to lightly beat the eggs. Now moving on to the corn flour, we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of corn flour together with 3 tablespoons of water and just mix them up. We'll start adding in 1.5 cups of chicken broth and 1 cup of hot water and bring it to a boil. Before we start adding in our mushrooms to the mix. Now I'm going to make a very basic hot and sour soup right here, but if you guys have any lily flowers, wood ears, shiitake, bamboo shoots and tofu, just add them in as well. Now remember, this soup is all about acidity and spiciness. Now we're gonna add in 4 tablespoons of soy sauce just in there, followed by 3 tablespoons of chin kiang vinegar. And to finish it off, we'll add about half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce to give it some color. And just mix it up and bring it to a simmer. It's finally time to add in our cornstarch. Now just do this bit by bit and continuously stir the soup. By steadily doing this, you'll prevent any clumps happening at the bottom of the pot. And you will slowly start to see the consistency of the soup turn thicker. And that is what we're trying to achieve. Now once that is done, it's time to turn off the flame and we'll start adding in the eggs. Just give a couple of gentle stirs and start adding in the eggs into the soup. Now do not over stir at this point of time. Just do a couple of swirls and we are done. To finish it off, we're gonna add in some pepper. Now you guys can see I'm adding about 4 huge dashes of white pepper right there because I love it spicy. And we are done. Just cover it up with a lid. Now what we're gonna do here is by letting it be for about a minute or so, because this is gonna start creating some threads into the soup, which you will see right here. As you can see, the egg ribbons has formed and it's time to scoop it out and you are done. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Let me know what you think. Give it a try. And if you guys want to check out more easy breezy recipes, go ahead on my channel. And thank you for watching to the end of the video. Bye guys!